Students, welcome back to our digital classroom and also online classroom. Today we are now going to discuss accountancy, subject accountancy and chapter valuation of goodwill. Today we will discuss valuation of goodwill. Please you take a copy and a pen, pencil with you. Now we are discussing. Okay, get ready. At first you see the question paper. You see the question paper. This side. Year is given 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. And on the right hand side corresponding eight copies are given 5,000, 7,000, 9,000, 8,400, 10,600. 5 years 10 copies are given. You write the years 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. First column you write the year. Next column you write net profit. On the question paper you write net profit 2007 5,000, 11 7,000, 12 9,000, 13 8,400 and 14 10,600. These 5 year profits are given. We have to find the average profit. Here, for calculation of goodwill, you have to take the weight. Next column you write weight. Weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in decreasing order. If 4 years profits are given, you write 1, 2, 3, 4. If 3 years profits are given, then write 1, 2, 3. Next, okay, for the question paper, we write the year and the corresponding net profit. Clear? Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is weight. Weight is to be given. Then product, that means multiply net profit into weight. To multiply it, net profit into weight, 5,000, 14,000, 27,000, okay. Next, your sum it product, sum of the product 1,26,000 and sum of the weight 15. Sum of the weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you added 15. Product 5,000, 14,000, 27,000, 33,600 and 53,000 you added 1,32,600. Clear? Next you find average profit. You write average profit. Average profit equals to sum of product by sum of weight. There is 1,32,600 by 15. This is 8,840 rupees. This is average profit. Now read the question paper. See the question paper. Average capital employed in the business was 1,22,000 given. Normal rate of return 10,000. These two information is given. You have to find the value of goodwill on the basis of, here goodwill is valued in two ways. Number one, you see 3-year purchase of average profit. Number one, average profit method. This is called average profit method. Average profit method, the value of goodwill equals to, you see the question paper. In the question paper A, 3-year purchase of average profit. So goodwill is 3-year purchase of average profit. 3-year purchase that means 3 into average profit. Three-year purchase of average profit, that means 3 into average profit. 4-year purchase of average profit, that means 4 into average profit. Already we have found average profit 8840. So value of goodwill under average profit method is 3 into 8840. 26,520. So in this question paper, we have to find out the value of goodwill in two ways. Number A, 3-year purchase of average profit. So under average profit method, value of goodwill is 3-year purchase of average profit, 3 into average profit. Average profit we have found already. B, you see part B, 4-year purchase of super profit, that is super profit method. Super profit method. Super profit method, that is 4-year purchase of super profit. That means 4 into super. At first we have to find the super profit. We know the average profit. So how super profit is calculated? Super profit is calculated in this way. That is normal profit. Super profit is calculated in this way. Average profit equals to 8840 less normal profit. From average profit, normal profit is calculated. Here, how normal profit is calculated? Normal profit is calculated in this way: capital employed into normal rate. In the question paper, we see in the second paragraph it's written average capital employed in the business is 80,000 and normal rate of return is 10,000. So average capital employed 80,000. You write 80,000 capital employed into normal rate. In the question paper, in the normal rate is given, you see 10%. 80,000 to 10% equals to 8,000. This is super profit. So super profit is calculated in this way: average profit less normal rate of return. Average profit at the first stage you have calculated 8840, you write 8840, and then less normal profit. Normal profit, that is calculated capital employed in the normal rate. In the question paper, you see capital employed is given and normal rate is also given. Capital employed 80,000 given and see normal rate 10% given. 80,000 10%, 8,000. This is super profit. Now we have to find 4-year purchase of super profit. So value of goodwill equals to 4-year purchase of super profit. That means 4 into super profit. That is 4 into 840. So valuation of goodwill in this chapter, we value the goodwill basically in two ways. Number one, average profit method. Number two, super profit method. Average profit method, you have to find 3-year purchase of average profit. So in average profit method, value of goodwill goes to 3 into average profit. B, you have to find 4-year purchase of super profit. 4-year purchase of super profit, that means under super profit method, value of goodwill is 4 into super profit. Average profit is calculated here. Next B step, super profit is calculated in which way? Average profit less normal profit. Normal profit, that means capital employed into normal rate of return. Then you can find normal profit. So normal profit is deducted from average profit, then we find super profit. So value of goodwill equals to 4 into super profit under super profit method. This is the value of goodwill. Okay. Now I am sending some questions or problems so that you can solve it. Any queries you have, you should ask me. Clear? And again, thank you to all of you for joining the classes and for your kind attention to my classes. Okay, be safe, be healthy.